So we're currently walking to the bus station to catch our rainbow grasshopper bus. So apparently Nimbin is like the hippiest town in Australia, and everyone just smokes and like offers you drugs on the streets, and people walk their rabbits. But here's our bus! About to board the grasshopper bus. There's a bottle opener on the bus. We just arrived in Nimbin. Only in Nimbin. We're in a hemp embassy, but I'm not sure how to feel about this. I'm not sure what I was expecting from Nimbin, but I'm feeling a bit underwhelmed. I haven't seen anyone walking their rabbit. Why there's fish flops? So we're currently at this nice nature reserve area. We're waiting for our driver to make our barbecue. It's probably going to take another 25 minutes, but everyone else around us is like high, so we're just trying to avoid people and just explore around and wait until we can have our 4 p.m. lunch. So I bought this lovely bum bag.
We signed ourselves up for a weed barbecue.
Yeah, but we're fine. I'm on the Grasshoppers Nimbin tour just for this. So we just got back from Nimbin and we stopped by Aldi's to buy some breakfast for tomorrow. What did you impulsively buy this time, Eva?
Fucking lifestyle.
And now we're probably going to take a shower before going out to dinner at this place called Orgasmic Cafe. I literally just hung up all my stuff on my bed because I'm a mess. And so is Eva. She's a mess. I'm honestly such a nuisance because I'm on the top bunk right now, so I have all my clothes hung up over here, over this person's bed. And then yesterday I was removing my laundry and I had this basket over here and I was sitting right here opening my bag and like in everyone's way. But there's like nowhere really else to do it because in here I'd be next to the door and yeah, it's kind of just difficult. But then so today I came back to the room and I saw that all my stuff had like been moved into this corner and I'm like, oops, probably should have moved it this morning. We're gonna meet Jacqueline, Olivia and Diana for dinner, which is really exciting because we haven't all been together since Sydney and it's going to be our last day together for a while. We were meant to grab dinner and go to the beach to watch the sunset, but since we took a shower and are running a bit late, we have to go over. Yeah, so we're just walking to the main beach and hopefully we'll catch the sunset. Peace. I just went for a run. I was supposed to go to the lighthouse, but it started pouring, so I decided to run back. Well, run to the lighthouse was a success. Went on a run. And we've literally done nothing today. We went to the Byron Farmers Market in the morning at like 9 o'clock after having pancakes for breakfast. And that was not as exciting as we thought it would be. So we left after like 30 minutes. And then after shopping a while, we all parted ways. And then I came back to the hostel and made some very pathetic lunch of like microwave pasta and baked beans. It was not very exciting. Yeah, so we've been just been chilling in the hostel for the past like 5 hours. It's our first time not doing anything, which is kind of nice. But I think we're gonna go out for dinner. hunt for food. So I've been meaning to do the Lighthouse walk for a while. I wanted to run it the other day, but it started pouring rain, so I was like, this is dangerous, I shouldn't do it. And it was raining again today, but I finally found the time to do it, and it is stunning. So I decided to explore a bit further, and now I'm just running, but I stopped to film, but I'm going down to Little Wake Coast Beach. So the one we're at now is Wakeham's Beach, but apparently this one's like more hidden and cute and nice. And so I'm gonna take a look. Cool. Hey, there's another one. I might just run up there because it's like an extra run. But this beach is nice. Little Wake Coast Beach. So we made it to the beach and it's finally nice and hot again. Probably just gonna jump in and come back out and like tan and stuff in the water again. So excited to do this swim with my buddy. Just had a night out and it was actually really fun. We were having drinks at the hostel and then this guy joined us who's Australian. First Australian person that we met. That's not through a tour. I have to wake up at 7:15 a.m. because I haven't packed yet and our bus is at 8:55. Good morning. So today is this March. It's currently around 7:45 a.m. I'm just making breakfast and then getting ready to hop on my 8:55 private bus to Surfers Paradise in Brisbane, which I'm really excited for. It's gonna be a nice change going from Byron Bay to a city environment again. So we're about to leave Byron Bay, which I'm actually really excited about because I've come to really love it. But yeah.